We're replacing an old 200 amp service today. It is a Friday and we are in Seekonk, Massachusetts. And we're going to be demoing this old service. If you saw yesterday's video, the service is actually taking in water. And we found out once we got up in the bucket truck that the weather head was improperly installed from day one. There was no silicone, there was no duct seal, nothing. So all that water was pouring in the panel and rotting it out, causing a ton of issues inside the home. Just take a look at all that rot and rust on those breakers. I mean, this was just absolutely nasty. So I'm going to demo that old panel. I'm going to show you guys how I do everything. I tried to film as much as I could, but it was a pretty busy day. So what I like to do is I got that old panel out. I'm going to take a bungee cord and a staple, and then that's how I like to hang the wires while I work on the panel inside. And now this is what the new service looks like on the outside. We demoed that cable. Look at how neat everything is and professional, just the way we like to do everything. I got a digital torque wrench. I'm going to set my foot-pounds in. I'm going to caulk that SCU cable right there, just to make sure in case any water enters that can, it will not follow the SCR in. I did the ground and some half-inch PVC there to sleeve everything for physical damage. And these are 250 Ilskos. I like to upsize the Ilskos because it allows the wire to go in easier. And now take a look at how nice this panel looks in there. They got solar in the house, so I had to make sure that I checked to make sure the solar wasn't backfeeding when I took it all apart. But I got the CTs in nice and neat this time. We got some sticky backs on there holding the CT wires in place to keep everything neat. That little wire, it's actually a 12-3 that you see up there. That's going to be demoed. They're taking that out of the panel. But I got everything nice and neat so you can actually work in this panel now. I know the video looks a little blurry there, but again, I just did the best I could to film everything. And now we got a new surge suppressor in there. It does not need to be at the top according to the manufacturer recommendations. I looked at it and it said it can be anywhere within the location of the panel, just in case anyone comments that or asks. We got a number 4 ground for the water main, and just take a look at how neat the outside looks as well. I caulked the top of the weatherproof connector there just in case to make sure no water enters it. And this is a professional and quality service. It was raining, it was thundering, but when we make promises to the customer to finish the service in one day, we do it. So if you're in the Massachusetts area and need high quality electrical service, give us a call.